वेलकम टू द लास्ट एपिसोड ऑफ निकाय के खट्टे मीठे पल, जहाँ की हमने आपको सिखाया है हाउ टू मेक द बेस्ट फूड विद मिनिमम टाइम एंड एफर्ट। अब कोई भी पार्टी हो, एक अच्छे पार्टी के लिए अच्छे ड्रिंक्स की बहुत ज़रूरी है। सो वी हैव डेडिकेटेड टुडेज एंटायर एपिसोड टू द आर्ट ऑफ मेकिंग एन अमेजिंग मॉकटेल। Now before we go ahead and do that, let me tell you that there's a big difference between a mocktail and a cocktail. A cocktail is one with alcoholic content and a mocktail is one without any alcohol. So on that note, let me introduce to you Chef Robin Gomes, the Group Executive Chef of the City Seasons Group of Hotel, to make the first mocktail of the day. Chef, welcome to Nikai Ke Khatte Meethe Pal.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure having you here.
Thank you again.
And tell us what we're going to start off with.
Today we're making avocado shake.
Avocado shake.
Yes.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Avocado shake के लिए आपको चाहिए avocado 1 ripe peeled, ice 2 cups, sweetened condensed milk 1/2 cup fat free, non-fat milk 1/2 to 1 cup cold, and sugar to taste.
We start with avocado.
All right. Longitudinally cut the avocados.
Right.
And de-seed it. उसका जो बीज है उसको निकालना
उसको भी
पड़ेगा।
निकाल दो भाई।
जी।
मशीन को खोल लो।
ओके।
खोल लिया।
और इसको डालेंगे ब्लेंडर में।
Yes.
अच्छा, आप स्कूप कर रहे हैं?
Yeah. You don't need knife and all those things.
अच्छा, सिर्फ स्पून यूज कीजिए और स्कूप आउट द फ्लैश।
हाथ को डर्टी मत कीजिए।
हाथ को डर्टी मत कीजिए। Okay.
So you can use also for something, you know.
Yeah.
This you can use if you want to put back your shake on it. You can put it back.
Okay.
Right?
जी.
It's done. See?
As you people already know through the past Gyan time, avocados are actually really rich in the good cholesterol, and it's really good to increase the HDL content in your body. Contrary to beliefs that it's bad for your health, it isn't. It's actually really good for your health.
Jafar sir.
जी,
We are
बोलिए।
done.
Okay.
You put the ice.
अच्छा।
Rice is melting first.
अब बर्फ को डाल दीजिए ब्लेंडर के अंदर। Okay. I love mocktails, chef. It's really good when you have a nice drink and you're sitting with your friends and having a chat about something.
You are right. And let's give you the cool, you know.
ठंडा cool
Yes.
impression.
Milk.
जी। Skim milk को डाला है आपने अंदर?
Yes.
जी।
2 spoon sugar.
Okay.
Sugar is up to you. How sweet you want.
अच्छा।
You want unsweetened, you can
जी।
also have it. That's up to you.
जी, चीनी आप पर है, जितना आप यूज करना चाहते हैं उतना यूज कर सकते हैं।
Right? You have
Yeah.
done.
Okay.
Close it.
शेफ, क्या हम लोग हनी यूज कर सकते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ शुगर? दैट विल बी अ गुड ऑल्टरनेटिव।
That's up to you. What I said.
Yeah.
Whatever sugar things or whatever sweet things you want to use it, you can use it.
तो आप हनी भी यूज कर सकते हैं।
Right.
एंड आई थिंक हनी इज अ वेरी गुड कॉम्बिनेशन विद एवोकाडो।
avocado, right.
या ओके, सो अब क्या करने वाले हैं शेफ?
And we'll blend it.
सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू ब्लेंड दिस।
Yeah, everything is on.
Okay.
Everything is done.
All
We're going to
set.
put machine on.
ओके,
And done is 2 seconds. Okay. Yalla. Bole. So we're blending.
yep, it looks nice and thick and milky. Wow,
So I'm moving inside.
I think we need to move our hips, chef, to this. Can we have some belly dancing or something?
Yeah.
That would be nice. Yeah, like the hula hoops.
I think it's done.
Yep.
Yes. Yeah, Mr. Jafar. We'll
Time
put-
to serve.
Yes.
Okay, we are nicely serving it.
That's enough, I believe.
Nice shapely glass, chef.
Yes.
Very beautiful looking glass you have. And you're adding some garnish.
Definitely.
Okay.
All the time in our life, we have to have something, you know.
Nothing without garnish.
Yes. Do it like this.
Yeah.
Put little lemon. This lemon is. That's all.
Avocado shake. इसको बनाने के लिए scoop the avocado flesh into a blender. Add the ice cubes, condensed milk, and the least amount of non-fat milk, and puree it until completely smooth. Taste and add additional milk if a thinner consistency is desired. Ladies and gentlemen, the chef has just presented to me this amazing avocado momento. While I go and take a sip out of this, please take a break. Stay with us.
रिश्ता वही सोच यही Listen up, everyone. Our friend Mr. Karthik Narayan wants me his...
Relax. Chill.
सब बदलने वाला है कार्तिक, सब बदलने वाला है।
Who's this?
मैं कार्तिक बोल रहा हूँ।
वर्ल्ड टीवी प्रीमियर कार्तिक कॉलिंग कार्तिक विद इंग्लिश सबटाइटल्स 28 अगस्त शाम 6 बजे स्टार प्लस पर।
के प्रायोजक हैं द न्यू निस्सन कैशकाई अर्बन प्रूफ मास्टर्ड।
Whenever you've wanted the latest, I've never disappointed you. When I say I'll help with all the household chores, I mean it. You know, even years later, I'll always be there for you. Nikai Electronics and Appliances, the Mr. Reliable in your life.
What will you have to drink? A refreshing cappuccino cola? Or a fizzy pineapple drink? Or some tonic water? How about a mango treat? Perhaps a chilled orange juice? Or would you prefer some healthy guava juice? Star juices and soft drinks. A drink for everyone.
Solid power presence from Sabil Style Sense.
It's time to make the switch to a light, cholesterol-free vegetable oil that is full of nature's goodness. Hardlight is 100% pure canola oil and has the lowest saturated fat, rich in alpha-lanolenic acid, which helps reduce blood cholesterol. Hardlight is perfect for cooking, frying, baking, and simply delicious on salads. Change to Hardlight canola oil, processed and packed in Canada. Available in all leading supermarket chains, including your favorite store, Choitrum.
Abdullah, the car! Clorox, with its anti-yellowing formula, gives superior results with detergent to remove tough stains and whiten whites.
रेसिपी के असली अचारों की नई श्रृंखला आजमाइए स्वाद परंपरा का।
Whenever you've wanted the latest, I've never disappointed you. When I say I'll help with all the household chores, I mean it. You know, even years later, I'll always be there for you. Nikai Electronics and Appliances, the Mr. Reliable in your life.